Hola, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the Reliable HVACR channel. If you're new here, remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So I forgot that I actually got this in. This is the new Milwaukee multi-bit mini ratchet. Super excited to try this out. I have the Klein version. I've been going around seeing, what other versions of different Klein tools I have, that are out there. So we're gonna check this one out today. And depending on when you're watching this video, it may or may not be easy to get. And I'll explain where I got it, how much it was, and all that good stuff. And real quick, shout out to Tanner West. In my previous video, I mentioned, or like I mentioned earlier in this video, I have a whole bunch of Klein tools, and then Milwaukee's been coming out with their versions of different types of their tools. Like the flip bits, the task lights, the precision screwdrivers, everything that I used to buy Klein, Milwaukee has their own version, and I wanted to, give those a shot. Initially, I had actually ordered this mini ratchet, and this was actually I think the first thing I ordered, and I forgot about it because it took a while. I ordered this, I want to say back in September, maybe early September. It took a few weeks to even get shipped out. And then I got it early October. I'm recording this on basically Halloween. So it should be up within a few days anyway, but it took me almost a month to get it, right? So I believe if you go, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for you guys to go check it out, see if you can get it yourself. But I think it's on pre-order actually. So I guess I got lucky and I swooped in when they had like a pre-sale going on where you could order it ahead of time and get it within a few weeks. And now it's on pre-order where you're probably not gonna get it till New Year's. So just to let you know, Acme Tools is the one that I got it from. So I'll leave a link for them. I think there's a couple other places, but again, I only see pre-orders right now. But if you're watching this at a later date when it's on sale, then go check it out. I can't find it at Home Depot or anything like that. I had to order it and wait for it. It is the mini ratchet with the little clip on it, so you can clip it out on any D-ring or anything like that. And it comes with this little bit holder that obviously you can put in the clip and kind of hold everything in one. It is a 5/16 1/4-inch flip kind of wrench, and then with it taking 1/4-inch, you can put in the 1/4-inch bits, or you can also put in the 1/4-inch flip socket. So I'll show that too. All right, just to show you guys, this is specifically the 48-22-2950. It is a multi-bit mini ratchet, better access, 4-degree arc swing. It comes with 4 bits and the socket adapter, this little holder, which is kind of nice. And let me open it up and kind of compare it to what I've used in the past. All right, so like I said, I'm gonna be excited to use this because I do use the Klein. I've been using the Klein version. So this one is the Klein 65200. The part number on this one. I've always used this. It's a nice little thumb ratchet. Can use it to get screws in really tight areas, and I also use it with a lot of different bits, which I'll show today. I don't think I've shown it too much. I've shown it in clips, shown it kind of here and there, but I don't think I've ever made a video on it. So they're really cool that you can use a clip. Now you're gonna be able to clip that on a D-ring or anything like that, so it's not taking up any pockets in your actual in your actual tool bag or anything like that. So super cool, thoughtful design. And then here it is compared to the Klein one. You even get a bigger opening there, and it looks like the magnet. So on this one, let's just take out a bit here. On this one, it is magnetic. Once it reaches far enough, it'll clip in. You don't see the magnet. This is actually kind of hollow in there. So on the Milwaukee one, you get that big old magnet right there. So when you put this one in, Am I doing it right? Okay, you gotta push it in there. You gotta shove it in there. I can't get that out. There's a bit in there. Magnet is double-sided there. I can't get the bit out. Oh, son of a get some pliers, get it out. I don't know if that's gonna loosen over time, but that gets real in there. Okay, I got it out now. It almost clips in. Yeah, you gotta squeeze it pretty hard and pull. Whereas, let me see on this one. No, it's a pain in the ass on both. I hardly use the bits in this situation. So this little bit holder is also, you know, kind of cool. Milwaukee logo on this side, and you can clip this to this, or you can clip it, you know, anywhere on your bag. Just gonna have them as a set there. Kind of conforms to the shape of the wrench so that it can hang out like that. It'd be cool if they had a magnet system where all these kind of dropped in with a magnet, and then that magnet would probably make it hold right here. So the Klein one, I have to see what the specs were on it. So even if I use the bit or the 5/16, so if you have a screw and you put that on there, and you need to, this one has a lever, the Klein one, and you can ratchet in screws in tight spots, or if it's loose enough, you can use your fingers to kind of screw that in. Here is the Milwaukee one. Now this one is much stronger magnet. This one also has a lever. So again, you go in there, you want to do that, you want to use your finger to kind of screw something in. Use your fingers here to screw it in. That's been super helpful. I work on a lot of smaller equipment. They put screws in all sorts of weird places, but that magnet, let's see, the Klein, do the Milwaukee. I think you can tell that that's a pretty strong magnet there. So that's really cool. You're never gonna lose a screw with that magnet. Another thing you can do is these flip bits. So I always carry the Klein ones because I can go and interchange them from this you know, full set. But if you just want to even use this right here, snaps in to the 1/4" side, and now you can use any nut driver. So with the Klein one, I can put it on, I can get like a 7/16 and get in a weird spot to get out the bolt or whatever it is. And that's the combination that I like to do is, you know, I have Klein flip bits that are interchangeable with their bigger sockets on like the 3-inch shaft or anything like that. And then using this, or this one now, to get screws, bolts in weird places. The other thing I use it for, like I said, it takes these bits. I have these Allen key bits, which I'll leave in the description. So now I put that in there, and guess what? I can get out fan blades. I can take off pulleys and different things, so that when I'm in there, I got good leverage versus like a really thin Allen key or what handle, whatever you have. You get much better leverage to break those free. And then you kind of can screw it out a little bit more with your finger, get it just a tad bit out, and then get that fan blade off. So that's what I use it for a lot. You can use, so I have these two specifically on my bit holders. So if you guys carry some bit holders, I have these, I'll link these. Never had an issue with them. You put these on your bag. carry your bits around. So I have the 2 Allen key ones here. I have 2 other ones in the bag itself that I carry because I don't use them as much, because essentially your service valves, when you go to pump down the system, also use Allen key sizes, and I keep 2 other ones in there that I can use for those specifically if I don't have my service wrench or I lose that little adapter for the pump downs. I can pump down with a mini ratchet like this and some Allen key bits. All right guys, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. Go check it out. Like I said, I'll link it, but this might be like a pre-order type of deal. Hopefully they come out with it soon. Maybe that means they're gonna roll it out pretty soon. And I'll leave you the part number or everything like that. It's like the most underrated tool, I think, in my tool bag. And it's one that I always recommend, is this little mini ratchet, because you can do so much with it. I like that, you know, they're both essentially the same, so you can go pick up, I'll link the Klein one too if you want to pick up one right now and not wait for the Milwaukee one. But I just slide this on the outside pocket of my tool bag, and you got a 5/16 and 1/4 inch, and you can put these little slotted or Phillips to get those really tight spots. You can use it in conjunction with any 1/4 inch bit. So like I said, the flip sockets, these bits, it gives you that socket. It's a 1/4 inch socket adapter if you guys want to use some other sockets with it. I do have some 1/4 inch ones in my backpack, so if I ever need to get metric or anything like that, I can use a socket set with it, and you get some pretty good leverage on this. So hopefully you enjoyed and got something out of it. Hopefully it was helpful, and maybe you can use this underrated tool and use it in your tool bag. It's helped me out so much. You know, just getting screws and bolts out of weird places, or just being able to carry something this small that can do so much. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you guys.